Hello and welcome friends. If you are here and not yet subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe. Today I will show you a match that I have played. This match I am playing with a partner whose rating is approx 1500. So it is from mid to senior level players, and good learning is here on the mistakes and the moves which we can improve as we learn. So please subscribe, and this is a play and learn sequence of the games, so please do watch and like and share your comments. So the game started with white moving e4, black responded with e5, d4, e cross d4, queen cross d4, e7. So actually this pawn is here and is protected by queen, so this was here to put an attack on this, and if this is pushed further then I cannot take that pawn. So that is the problem with this pawn, because it is pinned. It is pinned, so it cannot take the other pawn, so it was a trap for this pawn. So next, knight defending the e4 pawn, so knight to c3. Then this pawn came here, so the idea would be the same from this side. This is pin, I cannot take this. Now bishop to e2. So after that, knight to a6, nf3, knight to b4. So this was a very good clear square here which my opponent have seen. This is a discovered check and forking not only rook but the queen, so it is to be defended first. So king have to move there to avoid the pin as well as to save this pawn also. So now this pawn is no more pinned, so if any pawn comes I can capture it. But the disadvantage is that now white cannot castle. Then pawn attacking queen, so direct attack, and how to defend it is one space is here and one square is here. So what white did, moved here. It is still defending the pawn and defended by the knight, as well as this pawn is also defended by the king, so it is okay. Next move was pawn. So now see the threat, it is coming here, so queen is having very limited squares now, only one. So this many players miss to scan, and this leads to disasters in games. And next move was counter attack on the queen. So now this knight is having an attack on the queen. So next move was queen to d6, so it saved the queen, as well as now knight is pinned, so as well as it pins the knight. Now knight cannot take the knight. So this is a good move from my partner, and my next move was to move the knight. So threat to queen again. So queen to b3. So now attack is not there on this pawn, so queen can come here, and it is to be saved also, so it was here. So now knight takes the knight and queen takes the knight. Then queen takes queen and pawn takes queen. So bishop, now this pawn is there, so it is to be defended. So next move was pawn push to c4. So now if he takes, the bishop will go to the c4 square, it will still defend this pawn, so no more threat. Then knight came here, but next move was rook to e1, then knight check, so king to e3, f5, knight have to go, so knight to d2, knight went back. Now space was created to avoid unwanted checks, so black castles, white king to f2, then bishop having attack on this pawn, so this is a direct attack, so it is to be saved. So king to g1, now rook, so I cannot move this bishop here or here because now this is pinned, this is attacked by the rook. So knight defending the pawn, or the bishop can also come and jump in case of times, and this rook will be connected. So knight there, so pawn post, so this pawn takes this. Now I take that, now bishop takes pawn and check, so king to h1, now pawn is saved. Now threat to the rook, bishop guards it, taken by bishop, bishop takes bishop, rook takes bishop. Now since this pawn cannot be defended anymore, so this was for that, so bishop takes the pawn here, it was hanging pawn, so it is gone. Same here, rook takes the pawn, now bishop defended the check, this check can cause this rook to go, so this was a discovered check. So next move was bishop check, and after king saved the check, rook took the rook. This moved ahead to restrict my knight movement, and this pawn is already defended, this is also defended, so it cannot be taken. It is defended by 2, so it cannot be taken. So next move was to move the knight away. So here one pawn went, but again this was a miss from black, and rook captured the bishop. Then knight went back, this rook takes the pawn. Now here knight sits, knight to d5, defending the pawn, so this pawn is defended by the knight. Then this pawn takes, rook takes the pawn. Now here king comes for the bishop, so bishop to this square. Now knight attacking the rook as well as this pawn, also defended this pawn, so this was good actually. Next move was rook, so knight have to go, even though it takes a pawn, that's okay, I can take here and clear it out. Knight takes the pawn, and now this rook can capture this pawn, and also it is having a check and attack on this rook. So rook takes the pawn, rook takes rook, bishop takes rook. Now this is attacking the knight, so knight will go, and now knight again is having an attack on this bishop, so bishop to b5. Next king want to take the bishop, so bishop was saved. Now knight protecting the pawn, knight in the game. Knight to d2, a5, h4, king to b4, h5, knight f6, attacking the pawn, h6, pawn moved ahead, and it is 2 move short of winning a piece. So knight to h7, rook takes the pawn, and it is a check. King a5, rook f7, knight g5. Rook to g7, knight e6, rook g6, knight f8, rook g7, knight e6, pawn pushed, knight takes the rook, queen. So pawn wins the queen, and knight to e6, check, king to b4, second check, and now it is having an attack on both the king and the knight. So if king will move, white can capture the knight. So white takes the knight, black takes the knight. So a pawn is pushed further, so rook is win, and now it is a sequence of checks and checkmate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.